Hello everyone, today I am going to show some of the basic opening chess traps that you can play with the beginner players and your friends, so be tuned. This trap starts with e4, c5, knight c3, e6, d4, open Sicilian, c captures d4, knight captures d4, a6 and bishop f4. Here you can play a small trap against white. You can play e5 and if your opponent captures the free pawn, then he can pack his bags and go home, because after queen a5 check his bishop will be gone. So I hope you like this trap. This is also a small but very cool trap that you can play. It starts with e4, e5, knight f3, bishop c5. Knight captures e5. The idea is to play bishop c5 is to capture the pawn on f2 and weakening the king, after which the queen will attack the king. But it doesn't work in this trap, because after queen h4 check, just g3, and if your opponent gets greedy and capture e4 pawn, thinking that he will target both knight and rook, then he can pack his bags and go home, like in the last trap. Because after queen e2, if he captures the rook, just bishop g2 and the queen is trapped. Because if the queen captures this pawn, then this check will take the queen, and if the queen takes this bishop, then this check will takes the queen. So I hope you understand this trap on. Let's see another trap. It starts with e4, e5, knight f3, knight c6 and bishop c4 and bishop c5. This is the Italian game and the classical variation. With c3, idea is to play d4 and gaining the center, knight f3 attacking the e4 pawn, and d4, bishop b6 and d captures c5, knight captures and e5. And if your opponent play this move, knight captures on e4, then he is gone, because queen d5 will finish the game, because this queen is attacking the e4 knight and also the pawn on f7, which is going to be a checkmate. So in this position, black will resign the game. I hope you understand this trap also. Let's see one more trap. It starts with d4, knight f6, c4, e5, d capture c5, knight e4, Indian game, normal variation, and a3, d6, getting the rid of this e5 pawn because it is headache for black, after which e captures d6, bishop captures d6, and if white tries to play something like g3, trying to develop the bishop, then knight captures f2 is a very crushing move, because it does not only fork the queen and the rook, but if king captures the knight, then bishop g3 will be the lose of the queen. So in this position, white will just resign the game. I hope you understand this trap. I hope you liked the video. Please comment, share and subscribe my channel for more videos.